Hi Capricorn, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Capricorn, for your general energies, career situation and relationship. We are picking few cards. So these are for your general energies, Capricorn. This card is for your relationship and this card is for your career situation. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. And I have a pick a card reading right after this general energy, so that reading may answer some questions or clear some doubts you may have in your circumstances, so you can watch that reading. And if you are interested in a personal reading, I have a good friend of mine doing personal reading in Fiverr. I'll be sharing her link in the description. You can contact her. So let's start the reading with these cards for your general energies first. So today, Capricorn, we have whips, clouds and clover. So in your circumstances, maybe in your work situation or in your relationship, you are someone dedicated, devoted to whatever you do. So you're making a lot of efforts, trying really hard. You are expecting something beautiful to come in your life. You're working hard. Relentless efforts are making you anxious or stressed, and you have some confusion. It may be your energy in your work situation, or it may be about this person you love. So you don't know whether this person loves you, whether they reciprocate your love, loyalty and whatever good intentions you have. So you have a lot of confusion, doubts on this person. It may be because of the way they are speaking or the way they are not speaking. So maybe this person is an introvert. They are not telling you anything. They are not showing their interest in you, in this connection. They are quite aloof, or they are a very silent person. That may be the reason we have this energy. So you do not know what this person is thinking, whether they love you, whether they want this relationship with you or not. But this card here, Capricorn, it's a very lucky card. So I feel that your situation is going to change definitely, and you are going to see luck working in your life, luck making this love work. And it is extremely good luck when we have this card in a reading. So things are going to fall into place for you all, Capricorn. Whatever you wish for is coming to you. Let us see what is the card for your relationship. Just when I said whatever you wish for, so your dreams and plans are manifesting. So this person, maybe they are your dream person, or they are matching up those qualities. Or if you are open to a new relationship, your dream person is going to come to you, and you are going to feel you are going to be very lucky in love. So situation is very positive. Maybe you would have had some troubles, but everything is changing. That is what I feel, Capricorn. This person is changing, you are changing, something beautiful is coming in your life today. So we will see what is the card for your career. It's cross. So you have a lot of responsibilities in your work. It may be a lot of burdens you are handling today. It may be some difficult circumstance, but Your situation is definitely changing with the Clover card. I feel that everything is changing for you all, Capricorn, from now onwards in your career and in your relationship. So that is the energy with these cards for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Stay tuned for the pick a card that is coming up right now, Capricorn. For your love reading, guys, we have 2 cards here today. So this is the first card and this is your second card. You can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate. I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay guys, I will keep the second card aside. We will see what is the first card. For those who chose this card, it is the poisoned apple, jealousy. So it means that in your circumstances, you are the target of jealousy. There are people against you, people who are very much jealous of you and their intentions are not good. Maybe they are trying to tempt you with some offers in your life, tempting you into some difficult circumstance. And maybe these offers may look like something beautiful, something amazing. But if you fall for your temptation, you are going to face many difficulties. But even if you have fallen for some temptation today, you need not fear these circumstances. Because this experience is going to help you. It is going to give you more knowledge. It is going to give you wisdom. And the pain you will go through today in this situation because you have fallen for this temptation is going to lead you into a beautiful journey where you are going to grow emotionally, you are going to grow spiritually, and you will be able to see your circumstances with more clarity, with more knowledge. So you need not feel sad or stressed though you are fallen for this temptation, or you have fallen for this temptation. And you will succeed. You will come out much better person tomorrow, much better person in your life. But you need to believe in yourself. And maybe present circumstances are not good, but still you are going to see beautiful changes very soon, starting from now. So that is the energy here with this card. So let us see what is the second card. For those who chose this card, the second card, we have Seriphos green quartz. This is a very beautiful and a rare quartz, guys. And with this quartz, the energy is that maybe you are pushing yourself to achieve something, pushing yourself to see some changes in your life. But today you are left with no desire to march on towards your expectations, but ready to accept what is coming towards you in your life, what is coming towards you in your circumstances. So this moment should be experienced just as it is, because this moment is going to bring clarity in your relationship. So being honest with certain things you can change, and certain things where you are powerless to change. You need to accept it as it is. When you do that, it is a big step taking you towards what you desire and what you deserve. So be present. If you are feeling sad, let it be. Experience that pain, go through all that, whatever comes in your life, because you are in for something bigger. Some bigger picture is unfolding in your life, and this picture is something you never imagined and you can never imagine. So universe is coming with a blessing towards you. Maybe you are going through a lot of pain today, but this situation is absolutely necessary for what is coming in your life in your future. So that is the energy here. So there is no need or no use to change your present circumstance. So that is the energy here with this card for y'all today. That is the reading for y'all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye guys.